Hi Jack, how is it going? Not bad, David. Just dealing with work stress. You? Same here. Work can be overwhelming sometimes. Any exciting plans for the weekend? I'm thinking of catching a movie. I got to hear so much recently about this movie, so I'm gonna watch it soon. And you? Nice. I might go hiking if the weather holds up. By the way, have you tried that new Italian place downtown? Not yet. Is it any good? Did you try? Amazing pasta. We should check it out together sometime. My observation is everyone should try this out at least once. Definitely. Let's plan for next weekend. For sure. I'm happy to hear this from you. Thank you so much for this meeting, David. Same here, Jack. See you soon. Bye. Goodbye, David. Some important words of this conversation with meaning. Weekend. A weekend is the period between the end of one work or school week and the start of the next. It usually refers to Saturday and Sunday or Friday evening until Sunday night. Overwhelming. Overwhelming means something is very great in number, effect, or force. It can also be used to describe something that is so confusing or difficult that you feel unable to do something. Amazing. It is an adjective that means something is very surprising and makes you feel pleasure, approval, or wonder. Observation. It is a noun. The first meaning is the act of watching somebody or something carefully, and the second meaning is the ability to notice things once, one time only, or at any one time ever. For sure, we use it in an informal situation, which means without doubt. At least. At least is a phrase that means something is the minimum that is true or possible. Once again, at least is a phrase that means something is the minimum that is true or possible.